Hello, Patriots. More news, so much flowing in, trying to keep up with it and pick the stories that are best for you. But Judge Juan Merchan, the judge in the hush money case, the very biased and unfair judge, that's just what he is, okay? I'm not sitting here from a biased perspective. I'm telling you who this guy is, okay? They're supposed to have a ruling whether or not they're going to sentence Donald Trump in this case with Stormy Daniels with the felonies that they kind of invented, but that's a longer story. And the judge is delaying his ruling. He needs to just make it go away. This is not going to end very well for Letitia James or this judge. They're very corrupt. These charges never should have been brought forward. That is a general consensus from legal analysts across the country. Nobody is really backing this attempt to put Donald Trump in jail. Had Donald Trump lost the election, he would have been put in jail for the rest of his life. Make no mistake about it. Let's listen to what the Fox News report had to say.
During this, a judge delaying a ruling on whether to scrap Trump's conviction in the hush money case. New York Judge Juan Merchan postponing this decision on whether to undo President-elect Donald Trump's conviction in the hush money case because of a U.S. Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. Merchan had been set to rule today, but instead he told Trump's lawyers today that he delayed this ruling until November 19th. According to emails filed in court, Trump's lawyers asked for the delay over the weekend, arguing there are, quote, strong reasons for the requested stay and eventually dismissal of the case in the interest of justice.
Correct.
A judge is decided what Merchan, he was expected to decide this today again, but President-elect Donald Trump's conviction in the hush money case because of this U.S. Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. For some more background on this, Merchan, he presided over Trump's historic trial, and he's now tasked with deciding whether to toss out that jury verdict or order a new trial.
He's going to have to toss it out. That's literally what it's going to come down to. He does not want to. He hates Donald Trump with a fiery passion. So does his wife. He is a far left lunatic, and so is Letitia James. This was an absolute sham of a trial and a disgrace to the justice system.
Or even dismiss those charges altogether. The judge's ruling also could speak to whether the former and now future commander-in-chief will be sentenced as scheduled on November 26th. Of course, all of this coming after Trump won back the White House just about a week ago, but the legal question concerns his status as a past president, not an impending one. A jury convicted Trump back in May of falsifying business records related to a $130,000 payment to porn star actor Stormy Daniels back in 2016. That payout was to buy her silence about claims that she had sex with Trump.
Yeah, the non-disclosure agreement. We all know about that. But Juan Merchan is in a lot of trouble, and he is terrified. Letitia James is terrified. I have a very good source in the district attorney's office in New York City who said that Letitia James said, quote, "I am fucked," was what she screamed out the next day after Trump got elected. That's from the source that I have in the district attorney's office. But we shall see how this plays out. Don't forget to tune into the show Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can watch it on Facebook, Rumble, Twitter, anywhere you can find it, or listen to it on the podcast. We got a great show on Apple, Spotify, Amazon Music. I mean, we're literally everywhere. Audible, Podbean, Buzzsprout, you name it, we're on it. See you next time.